Hello everyone, welcome to part 87 of Laravel 9 series in which we are getting the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the product detail page. In the last video, we able to merge the product detail page and we able to see that the product detail page is coming in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, we can able to access this product detail page for any of the product. Here you can see the ID of the product will change. Okay, so that we can see here. Okay, so now in this video we are going to show some of the basic information of the product detail, like we will show the product name, description, images, these prices, okay, and some other information as well. Okay, so and this breadcrumb as well. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to open the detail function of the product where we are going to get the information of the product. So I'm going to open the products controller of the front located at the front folder, and here we'll go to the detail function. Here we have not added anything so far, but now we are going to add product details array so that we can fetch the product details and can return it to the blade file. Okay, so we have the product model from where we can fetch the complete product details. So first of all, I'm going to fetch the details from the ID itself. Okay, so here see we are going to send the product ID. So let's see in web.php file in our routes that we have added this ID here. Okay, so now see I'm going to add this ID here to fetch the information of the product. So from this ID I'm going to fetch the information of the product, and we can use the find. Simply we can use this find $id, and then we can convert it to array to display it in a simple way. Okay, in array. So here we can just display. Let's see how it looks. Refresh this one, and here we can able to get the complete information. Okay, and see all the information are coming, but we require more information, like we require the product category details as well, we require the product brand details as well, we require the product attributes as well, we require the product images as well. We want all the relation here so that we can display in the product detail page, because we require everything for the product detail page. So here we are having the relation in the product model. Open the product model, the relation that we have created earlier. Okay, so these are the relations. See, relation with section, relation with category, relation with brand, relation with attributes, relation with images. All the relation we need to add to our product. Okay, so here see, we if we want to show the section, we can add this section as well. Okay, but right now I'm going to add category, brand, attributes, and images relation with the product. Okay, so I'm going to add it like this with. Now I'm going to add category. I'm going to add few more. I'm going to do it like this, and we'll add the category first of all. We'll add the brand as well, brand. We'll add the attributes as well, attributes, and we'll add the images as well. Okay, so these four things I want these information as well. See, product is will belong to one specific category, so we'll get the category details. Product belongs to one specific brand, we will get the brand details of the product. And product has many attributes, so we will get all the attributes of the product. Product has many images, so we will get all the images of the products. Okay, so to belong to and to has many we are going to use here. So I'm going to refresh, and we'll see here you are getting the details. Here you can see category details, category product belongs to this category, and brand details, product belongs to this brand. Has many, product has many attributes. You can see the many attributes are displaying here. Okay, so product has many images as well, so has many is working here, has many relation is working here, and product has many images as well, you can see. Okay, so all the information of the product is now we can able to see. So this complete information we are going to return. We are going to pass this information to the blade file. Okay, so we are going to use with compact to pass these information to the blade file like this. So this one you can keep it like this. We can open in new window as well, so that it will always help us to get the information here. And here we can just now command this one, so that we can implement all this information one by one here. So first of all, we are going to add the product name. So I'm going to open the detail blade file, and here I'm going to replace the product name with the actual product that we have got from there. Okay, so here we are going to add dollar product details. Okay, so here we are going to add product name like this, and here we're going to see the product name is coming fine. Okay, so you can see the product name is coming fine here. Okay, so now the another one, this breadcrumb, we are going to show this breadcrumb. So we are showing the breadcrumb in the listing page as well. If you remember, we can go back and we can check in the listing page. We are showing the breadcrumb in the listing page as well. See the same breadcrumb, see here the same breadcrumb we can show here. So for the breadcrumb, we can check in the category model. We have the breadcrumb function. So the same function we can call here. See, this category details function is having the breadcrumb as well, you can see. Okay, so this breadcrumb we have used for the listing page as well. So same function, category details function, we can call in our detail function, so that we can get the breadcrumb as well. So we are going to call this get category details function here. So we can call straight away here. We can call category details, and this one is already located in the category function, category details. And this require, we can check what it requires. It requires the URL of the category. Okay, we are already having the URL of the category. So now see the benefit of displaying all the JSON, all the arrays here, so that we can easily get the information that we require. So here category, and here URL, this URL we require, so we can easily make it here, like it's located inside the product details array, inside product details array, inside the category. Okay, inside the category element, and after that there is the URL. Okay, so this URL we are going to pass to get the category details. We are going to see if we able to get the complete category details here or not. Okay, so let's see these category details. I'm going to check here, and what I am going to do, I'm going to check in the one more tab. I'm going to open, so that the first one we will not remove. See here the complete information we are getting. So this one and this one, see these breadcrumbs we are getting there from the category details. You can see the breadcrumbs are coming fine. Okay, so now once again I can disable, and I can pass these category details along with the product details. I can pass the category details as well, and we can use this one for the breadcrumb here. This is the breadcrumb, and we are going to replace this breadcrumb in the same way like we have done in the listing blade file. Okay, you can see we can just copy this one, and we replace this with this code. This already contains everything. Let's refresh it, and we'll see the dynamic breadcrumb. See, this is the dynamic breadcrumb. Home, then men, then t-shirts. Okay, so it's coming under man category, so it's fine. Okay, you can see. So also we can show the clothing section. Okay, if you want to show the section, then that we can also do. And for that we are going to attach the another relation to see the section. Okay, and for that we will also add here the section. Let's add the section as well. So now I'm going to check once again that what we are getting in product details. Let's see, we have got the section information as well that we can display there as well. Okay, so I'm going to show the section here as well. and also make sure to make it correct. This one must be corrected. Here we are going to add the URL simple like this, simply, okay. So this one display here as well, home, okay. And the another one is the detail. So no URL is nothing we need to send, so we can do it like this. So now see here also okay. So one more I'm going to add here for the section, display the section, okay. So what we can do here, like we are getting this product details here. I'm going to copy this one, and inside the section, and the name of the section. Now simply check, let's see, comment this one. Okay, section is also coming. Now you can see here home, clothing, underclothing men, underclothing t-shirt, home, clothing men t-shirt. Fantastic. Okay, so this is working fine, you can see. So just the URL is required, and URL that we are also getting there, I think. We can again check the name. Okay, the clothing does not have any URL, you can see the clothing section does not have any URL, so we can simply give JavaScript this one, okay. We will not give any URL here. Let's okay. So now the breadcrumb, you can see dynamic breadcrumb is working fine, okay. So now we can able to display the description, price as well, but first of all we are going to display the correct images, okay. So images we are already getting, you can see images, we are already getting these alternate images as well, and also the main image as well, okay. Product image, main image, this one also we are getting. So just we require to add the for each loop for the alternate images, and simply show the product main image here, okay. So here we are going to update front product and after product, see this one, dot, then the dollar product details, and then product image, okay. So same we are going to give here as well. So we can check here some issue is coming here. We are going to see front images product, and then sorry, here after product, their product, instead of product here must come the product underscore images, then large image we are going to show, okay. So we are going to make it here product underscore images, this one, and after that we will show the large image. Let's check now. Now it seems to be fine, it's coming fine, okay. So see here, if we will open any of the another product, like I'm going to show here t-shirts or shirt, whatever, t-shirts, okay. So now see blue, I'm going to click on blue, and blue t-shirt is coming. So let's show the alternate images as well. So we require here the for each loop for the alternate images, but for the first one we can show this one, the same one we can show here for the first one. Okay, but for rest of the images we will add the for each loop, okay, to show the rest of the images. Okay, and for that what we are going to do, we are going to add here for each loop dollar product details, and here we already having the images array. You can see images array is already there as dollar image. Okay, so only one is required, and for each rest we can remove like this. Okay, so here we are going to show the image path once again. We are going to copy this one, and then we will update it. So now this one we can update it with image. Let's see, let's refresh it and we'll see it is only having one image. We are going to check some other one like this one, that must be having the different images. I think, see this one, no, it's also having. We are going to check in admin. I am going to log in with the admin login. Okay, so here I'm going to check for the image for the products that is having the multiple altered images. So we are going to check here, sorry, not here, we're going to check this one. So it is having the two images, two alternate images. Okay, so we are going to open this id, second id. So this one only, but it is showing some issue. We are going to check what issue it is displaying here. Undefined array key product underscore image. Well, okay, so here see, it is not product underscore image, it is just simply image. Okay, so make sure your column name must be correct. Product underscore image is in the products table, but image is in the product underscore images table. Okay, so always give the right columns. Okay, here you can see all the other images are coming, and we are going to see the zoom is also working fine. Here I'm going to check this one. Now we are displaying the another one, and see here it is not displaying the zoom correctly though. Okay, see here you can see it is working fine, but when we click the another one it is not coming. Okay, it is just showing the zoom of the first one only. Let's see what we can do for resolving this issue. So here we can see the zoom pro class. Okay, so it is replacing from here. I think this zoom, we need to update this zoom. Okay, so don't worry about this zoom. We are going to update this zoom. The another video we are going to do. Okay, so one more we can add. We will work on zoom. We are going to integrate the better zoom than this one, not this simple one. It is also not working fine, you can see, because it is come along with the template, but it is not working that much fine. Okay, so it is see, just showing the same image for all, but we are going to modify this one with the another one. Okay, so don't worry about this one. And see, prices we can update right now. Okay, so let's update the prices as well, and we can update here prices as well as the description. Okay, so the description, for description, just I will copy this one and will update the product description here. Here the description will come. You can check the description here. Okay, so the description is coming from the admin panel for the product. Okay, so after that the prices, and for the prices we can check in the listing blade file. Here we have also given the prices in the listing, Ajax products listing. Okay, so here we have already given the prices that we can give there as well. Here we can see the prices. Okay, so we can just simply add these prices. We will check these prices first of all, and we'll add here. See, we will call this get discount price function. Okay, if the get discount price is greater than 0, then we are going to show these two divs, and this one we can comment, otherwise in else condition, and if, and here we are going to show the price div only. It means it does not have any discount price. Okay, so here the values we need to update. One, here we are going to show the get discount price. If there is the discount price, then we are going to show this discount price here like this. Okay, and if there is no discount price, then it will come here only the actual price will come. Sorry, not here. Here we are going to show the normal price. If there is no discount, then we are going to show the product normal price, and that is product details product price. Okay, so here we are going to show the original price for the product as well. This one we are going to show here as well, original price of the product. Okay, so see, if there is the discount price for the product, then we are going to show the discount price as well as the original price of the product, that is the cost price of the product. Okay, and if there is no discount, then we will show all the original price of the product, means there to show the cost price of the product, there means MRP of the product, we can say. Okay, so let's see, let's refresh and check. Okay, product model, we need to add this product model at the top. So here is the another issue. I think we are using here the wrong one. We need to add here the product details, because we copy from there. Extend front layout. Okay, so here we need to correct this one. I think there is another issue. We can check here what is the issue exactly. Okay, I think this add the rate of is moved, so that's why now it is coming fine. Now we can see the price is also displaying here, rupees 800 for this one. We can check here. Okay, when we click on this one, this price has also been displayed along with the product image as well as the product name and description. Okay, so here also you will click on this one, this blue t-shirt, along with the description as well as the price. Okay, we can show the other main details of the product, like the product code, product color. Okay, also we can show it anywhere wherever we want, like SKU information. Also in SKU information itself we can show. Okay, here it is. So this one we will do in the next video, but here we can show at least the product code or simply SKU, so we can show the product code. Then product color as well. Okay, so let's see, this one is coming. Okay, so but here we don't require any such class here. Okay, we just simply require this class to left, or we can move these classes. see now, and I'm going to put here left class. Now it is fine. Okay, so you can see the code and color as well, availability, and this one we will do in the next video, and also we are going to show the available sizes in the next video along with the description. And in the description itself we will not show these one. Okay, it is the video we are going to show, but the image is already there, so we are going to remove this image in the description. We can simply remove product video, we will show in the next video as well, but in description we can remove this one. We will show the description along with the we can show the video here. Okay, but we can remove like this. Okay, here see, description is already there, so we can show the video of the product if there is the video. Okay, specification and specification we are going to show the filters, filter values. Okay, in reviews we are going to show the reviews of the products. Okay, so let's continue in the next video as well, and please subscribe the channel, okay, to get the updates. And I always mention you that you can see youtube.com/tech developers, and it will be really good for me if you will subscribe the channel. Okay, then you can simply join or you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.